What's up, guys? In this video you're going to see us drive the jet boat for a second time. This is more of a testing. This is like the second round of testing on the boat just to see what it will do. The jet drive is completely redesigned. The first jet drive had too sharp of an angle or too sharp of a radius into the jet drive, which caused the water to aerate and not get enough thrust to plane the boat out. This time Nathan moved the jet drive back a couple inches and the engine up a few inches to give him more space to build the inlet real nice and smooth. It worked great. Thing planed out as you'll see in this video. A couple comments from the other video was people asked where you could get these boats at. You can buy the boat, a shell of a boat, from jetstreamadventureboats.com. That's who has these. You can buy it as a kit where you weld it together yourself, or you can buy it pre-welded and then you just put your drivetrain in it basically. But enjoy the video and leave a comment, subscribe. I'll try to answer any questions, but yeah, enjoy.
We'll unload the boat, drop it in, and take off and see what it does. That's gross. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let me get you away from this trash. Go ahead. Need to warm up a little bit. Dude, I think it's gonna work. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. Like once it warms up, I bet it'll kick off. Get in and I'll freaking just shove her out there. Yeah, I gotta get it back to me now. Alright. Let me get you in the middle. Hold on.
Fuck's still on.
Okay. I'm gonna get shot at by some more. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna push you out a little ways to get you away from this trash. Get you off the ground. And okay, you're clear. Always something wrong. We're not in a lake. We're in a little ply lake. hit it. I got it. There you go. And he's stranded. Looks like you're having a little difficulty with it. It does run good, and for whatever reason, every time we throw it in the water, it doesn't want to run good. Runs great out of the water, get it in the water, and then we start running into little issues. So hopefully we can fix it up. Take it for a little spin, but got to get it back to the water first. As you can kind of tell, he's a little out there, a good ways away. Got our little boat ramp, makeshift boat ramp. And hopefully it'll fire up. There it is. Trying to shoot this a little bit before it got too dark, but oh, here it goes. Let's see. Oh, watch that mud flat or that floor mat. Is that thing keep popping off? Let me find something else. Hold on. Let's see. How about a bigger piece of foam?
Dude, I was so nervous. I was like, oh God.
I'm stuck out here.
I'm stuck in the middle of the lake.
Here, let me pull you up so it's not rocking around. It's this little valve back here that
It's the vacuum valve for the carburetor, I think.
I
don't know nothing about two strokes.
don't know, we're figuring it out.
Okay.
Hey, there we go. Now let's see what happens.
Sit out here.
Let's spin you around.
Oh God.
goes. Look at that thing fly. He's happier than a kid on Christmas. Shoot! Yeah, buddy. Still got a few things to iron out on it, but that's why it's a project, not... Oh, there you go. Oh, shoot. Shoot, boy. Get it.
Damn, boy.
Golly. Thing rips, don't it?
It does, man. When that thing comes alive, it comes alive.
Oh, shoot. You got some water in it?
It was already on. I didn't realize the pump was already on. Dude, that is so much fun.
Just ripping. Dude, it look good. It looks like it's moving.
I gotta watch that video.
Shoot.
I'm kind of wondering when I'm not turning the pump on, that electric bilge pump, if it's not taking the power away from the motor. Because it kind of deadens down.
Yeah. Maybe you don't really need it. Well, you kind of need it right now, but you probably be all right for a little bit.
Dude, that's so much fun. I mean, I've had a lot of fun in my life, but that might have been one of the funnest.
And the smallest boat ever. It's the smallest jet boat ever. The first one running that I've seen. Actually on the water. Oh, hold on.
Come on, Betty.
Get it. But it's getting there. Shoot, boy. Golly, she's a hopping.
Dude, we have that so you don't drop it in there. You get really wet even though you think you're going to. Dude, so much fun. One of the funnest things I've ever built in my life. It's amazing. It's so awesome. I have ever built in my life.
Dude, it was rolling. Phone's about to die, about to lose the video, but it's worth it.
It's amazing. It's
So
awesome.
I'll get back to y'all when I get my phone charged about this thing and go through the footage.
This is for a 9-year-old kid.
Yeah, this is built for a kid. But I mean, look at that thing. You can't beat it. I'm kind of scared to like turn too sharp, and because we're so big, we'll fall. We'll just eat it into this lake, and we don't have any life jackets. I know that is dangerous, but I can swim. You can swim. We're good.
Yeah, we're all right.
That's why you come out here with somebody. You don't do this by yourself.
It's a blast.
So there it is. So another issue we were having was the exhaust came loose, which we already fixed. The bolt backed out. Now they're Loctited, shouldn't come back out now. And then there's this little nipple we have on the carb, which is kind of hard to see, but it's behind this piece of wood. It's in there now. There it is. It kept popping out, causing it to run like crap. So between that and the exhaust, having some trouble. Between that and the exhaust, we're having some trouble, but now it planes out as a complete new redesign on that Nathan built on this this jet drive. That's like one off out of some old drive shaft lying out there on the ground. Worked great though, worked perfect, because couldn't find anybody that wanted to build a jet drive for this thing, so he had to just come up with his own. So that is a one-off jet drive. Just it's all one-off basically, minus the chassis essentially, I guess you could say, or the hull. Whatever boat terms are, I don't know. Car guy. I'm not a boat guy.